Hey guys, Waterfowler41 here, and in today's video, we are going to be installing a license plate relocation bracket. So a couple weeks back, I installed the CVF front mount intercooler. So the intercooler is right here. I went ahead and removed the intercooler shutters, and I kind of figured if I'm going to remove the shutters, might as well get the license plate out of the way because the license plate from the factory comes right here. And because of that, now I need to find a new location for it. My state requires front plates, and I hate driving around without it because I really just don't want to bring any more undue attention than a front end converted carbon fiber Raptor already does. I just really don't want to run into any issues. So enter the swarfworks license plate relocation bracket, and this thing is overbuilt and absolutely beautiful, and all for a cost of a little bit over $100. I think I paid $107 or $111, but the bracket itself is super thick steel, and it is painted to match the Gen 3 bumper. So you can see the Gen 3 bumpers, that sparkly dark gunmetal silver. So is the swarfworks bracket. So it looks absolutely beautiful. Anyway, installation is super simple. So the bracket itself is going to sit up on top of your tow hook, and then underneath your tow hook, you're going to use this plate, and you're going to tighten up these two bolts into these nuts, and it pulls the plate in, basically pinching your front tow hook and holding your license plate right about there. Super simple installation. Now you'll say, yeah, that does take up one of my tow hook positions, but not the end of the world. Most of us, and you should probably do this as well, are already carrying some tools in our truck just in case something happens on the road. Just have the right tools in case you ever do need to use that tow hook to remove your license plate, and then you got your tow hook ready to go for you. Anyway, installation is super simple. First thing we're going to do is reattach our license plate to the bumper or to the bracket with these hex head bolts and these 11mm nuts on the back. And then what we'll do is we'll position this guy up on a tow hook, align this bracket, I believe it goes right like that, and then tighten up these two 10mm bolts. Whoop. Tighten up those two 10mm bolts, and the installation is done. One thing you do want to be mindful of is you want to make sure that you're clearing this front collision sensor so it's not going to go haywire. So we're going to try to move it up out of the way, push it up against the bumper so the sensor is not picking up any of that bracket. So let's go ahead and get it installed, and I'll show you the final product. All right, there you have it. The swarfworks relocation bracket is installed, and it looks absolutely beautiful. It pains me to install it on the truck and put a license plate on it because it really does look good. The finish is amazing, especially for a bracket. But anyway, bracket's on, super simple install. Basically, all you do is attach your license plate or whatever you're putting on the bracket itself to the bracket using the hex head bolts and the 11mm bolt nuts on the back. Then you use a 10mm socket to tighten up the 10mm bolts through the bottom plate. So the rounded portion goes towards the front of the plate, and then up through the tow hook into the nutserts on the bottom of the bracket, and there you go. Thing is solid, it's not going anywhere, and it keeps us legal and keeps everyone happy in the state of Illinois. Also, I can show my Blackhawks pride, which the team kind of sucks right now, but it is what it is. There's always next year. Anyway, that is how you install the swarfworks relocation bracket. If any of their other products are as well built as this bracket, I am definitely going to be in the market for some more of their stuff here, so we'll keep an eye out for that stuff. But with that said, thank you very much for watching. Appreciate it. This was a quick one. Have a good one. Bye.